How to buy the WHA token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now go and open this token on CoinMarketCap, and this is all the information with this token. Now to be able to buy this token, just go to contracts and copy the token address and make sure this is the underlying token. Now the best way to buy this token is by going and open the fund wallet. Now after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, click here and paste the token address to be able to find the right one. So after you find your token WHA, now go here and enter how much you want to buy. So after you enter how much you want to buy, this is how much you receive of this token. Now from here, select the provider as Jupiter, for example, and make sure to read all of this information. After you click on swap, they will direct you to the Jupiter provider to complete the buy process. If you face any issue in your buy process, just go back and change the snip patch from here and go back, and now we will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the WHA token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.